Kerai Laban Sport Social and Cultural Organisation Rlssco Gain Trace Shillong kelak pelong ya ke program Sam Kusnam pat kajing rapisa ya kibiru kibaper hakir Dkhot kibala wan jekmat ya ki exam bat kajing Ïalehkai beper na lor ki we pat kajing job ya kan ke program lawan long kongsan dau chairman ke MTDC ubak san bol sulai balong ru MLA ke BJP nak kendai South Shillong constituency habakran ke program ubak san bol lai tu ya baro kinringut kibala syajid ban syak Pynkup Burom Paban yok kilat jing rap ha kene kesngi da ke baong batang ke jinglong ke bahok ke jing trai sitom bat ke jing IT met ban mensim ha ke jing pule pat ki kam Ïalehkai kila pelak mat penpoi sya ke thong bat jing job kibala syak Pynkup Burom kilong u skemlang lingdo ha ke sports ka priska pinrop ke ban leg mikmat ya keri ha world arm wrestling champion ke ban long hamal doa Europe Kaan kita das kebala yo prab kundai point prab kundai persen ha ke exam ai silda thaba sir pailin waklang bat em nowenyus roy kidhar ha ke ba kine baro langut kila syak Pynkup Burom ba kila wan ra nam ha ki kam Ïalehkai
of 20,000 rupees. Please give her a huge round of applause. Her parents are on stage. Please give them a huge round of applause as well. Also completed her BA with first division. Priska's dedication has not gone unnoticed. It is with great pleasure that I would like to announce that she has been selected to represent India as an athlete.
With the suggestion of the member of the organization, so we have selected 6 of them to felicitate them today, and in the month of September and October there will be one more felicitation which we have decided, which we used to organize every year this will be the 21st consecutive year for about more than 300 students in various categories, and also there will be a special category for the physically handicapped and the disabled, and also for the schools dropout and the BPL students. Though they secure in any division, they will also be felicitated in the month of September and October. So thank you so much, and I would like also to express all the members and also to our guests, like our Belinda Lindo. We have felicitated her. She is officer of the Human Resource Department of our department for extending all your help and support towards the requirement of the staff of the department, and also to the people at large. Thank you, Kong Belinda, and also Kong Durin Saukume, who is the officer in charge of the state convention, for extending all your help and support to the activities of the various organizations, individual in our state. Thank you so much, and other members, the principal of this four institution, whom we have selected the physically handicapped from the 4 schools. Some of them due to unavoidable circumstances